Hey, hey, hey! It is a fabulous Friday, and it's your favorite remote work enthusiast, Delilah. I'm back with another hot work from home opportunity, and this lead comes from ADT, the home security folks. And chances are you probably have ADT where you reside. So, this is a huge company, very reputable, and they have a customer service monitoring representative position that I just know a lot of y'all are gonna love. So, we're gonna get into those details right now. But first things first, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and you tap the notification bell. This channel is all about working from home. This is the remote work channel, okay? And if you want to land a job, if you want to know the latest going on in the wonderful world of remote work, this is the place to be. So make sure you lock in. And once you take care of that business, we'll be ready to jump in. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump in here. As I was saying, I am looking at a hot work from home opportunity from ADT. Now, I will get out the way that they are hiring in only the following states. So make sure you pause it, you take a look, verify your state is there because this lead is limited. However, I couldn't keep it to myself because I just know like the type of role it is. A lot of y'all would really enjoy it. And you get to help people because you're going to be on the receiving end when a phone call comes in about something suspicious going on. You may have to alert the authorities. And it's kind of like working in what I imagine a 911 dispatch center is like, but I've never done that. So I don't know if it's like that. Now, this is a short and sweet lead, or at least it's not too terribly long, I should say. It's not that short. But the qualifications is that you need to have a high school diploma or equivalent, a minimum of 6 years of customer service experience, and the ability to be licensed in multiple states. What kind of license? I don't know. And then technical aptitude, problem solving skills, and ability to prioritize multiple items at once. So I would assume the ability to be licensed means you don't have like warrants out for your arrest or, you're in hot water with the state. I don't know. You know your situation. And as far as the pay goes, it looks like it's going to pay somewhere between $16 and $19.50 per hour. So not too bad. So getting into it, it says company overview. ADT has been in the business of helping save lives since 1874. As the #1 smart home security provider in the US, we help protect and connect families, businesses, and larger commercial customers every day. Our continuous innovation, advanced technology, and strategic partnerships deliver products and services that help protect life and valuables, whether at home, your business, or on the go. And as times change, so do we. Above all, our mission is clear. We help save lives for a living. Looking for a career where you can make a real impact? Join our team today and put purpose behind your paycheck. #WeAreADT. And then they have a video to help you on, getting to know how they help save lives for a living. And then it says check out more about life at ADT at this link, and that will take you to the About ADT area. Why choose ADT? At ADT, it's more than a job. It's a noble purpose that defines us. We are the leading provider of electronic security, interactive home and business automation and monitoring services for residences and small businesses in the United States. Every employee from our executive leadership team to our support centers are united under one noble purpose. We help save lives for a living. We are everyday heroes. You are doing more than earning a paycheck. You are in an important role that makes an impact in the lives of our customers every single day. Join a company of individuals with passion, commitment, drive, and ambition, using and developing our talents for good at work, home, and our communities. Major responsibilities. So this is getting into the meat of the position. We have an exceptional career opportunity for a remote customer service monitoring representative in the following states. A customer service monitoring representative is responsible for monitoring and dispatching proper authorities for residential and small business alarms, as well as contacting appropriate responsible parties. This role is a pivotal part of our noble purpose to help save lives and is the first step in helping protect our customers when an alarm signal is received. A day in the life of a customer service monitoring representative can look like handling incoming alarm calls and placing outgoing outgoing calls to verify alarm activity, dispatching the proper authorities, and notifying responsible parties, paying attention to detail while documenting alarm handling procedures within the alarm screens, completing alarm processing in accordance with departmental procedures, providing alarm reset instructions and basic troubleshooting to customers during outbound alarm calls and inbound alarm callbacks, receiving inbound calls related to alarm callback inquiries. When you commit to us, we commit to you. Our employees receive a comprehensive full benefits package that includes paid virtual training. Some in-person attendance may be required based on business needs, but they don't specify that. So, and then it says VDI training requirements, designated place to work from home, high-speed internet, DSL, cable, or fiber internet service with the ability to hardwire via Ethernet from cable modem to your PC, at least 25 Mbps of internet download and 15 Mbps to upload, full benefits on the first of the month after 30 days of employment, casual yet energetic and engaging work environments, medical, dental, vision, 401k with employer matching, paid vacation time we all need to recharge, tuition reimbursement, employee referral bonuses, potential opportunities to work from home based on business needs. This is a work from home position, a culture of coaching, development, and career growth opportunities. We're looking for someone with results they are proud of, like high school diploma or equivalent required, minimum of 6 months of customer service experience required, ability to be licensed in multiple states, technical aptitude, problem-solving skills, and ability to prioritize multiple items at once. And then they have their EEO statement down here, which means they don't discriminate for a number of legally protected reasons. So that's the entire lead. I'm just sort of scrolling down, and that just shows you what's on the page. Like they just sort of tell you about other roles that you may like. But I thought this was a great opportunity for someone who doesn't have a whole lot of experience. You only need 6 months of customer service experience. That's it. Okay. That's like everybody. And then on top of that, I know a lot of folks like those TV shows where they're talking about the crime and whatnot. I personally enjoyed some live PD. So I don't know. I feel like this goes within that sort of wheelhouse of interest. You're getting phone calls about maybe some suspicious activity and you're following up to make sure that nothing's really going on. And if something is going on, you alert the authorities. Like, I don't know. I just feel like so many people have interest in that type of stuff that you might enjoy this very little experience role that will help many people. So if you like this lead, then the apply now button is at the top right. Don't apply later. It might not be here. And don't forget, I have so many free resources over on my website, remoteworklife.co. And if you made it this far in the video, I have a freebie for you to download in the description box below. So I hope you have a fabulous Friday and a wonderful weekend. And God willing, I'll be back on Monday with my latest hot work from home opportunity for you. Bye.